Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. Friends, you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting, so how to reset and how to use guys Wi-Fi reset setting on Realme phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After additional setting friends, you want to change your language. Friends, you can change your phone language. On date and time you want to change, you can change from here. Friends, you want to use accessibility setting, talk back, so you can on talk back from here and you can use it. So friends, click on backup and reset. Last option friends, tap here. After doing this backup and reset setting friends, you can see backup and restore. Backup my data friends, you want to backup, so when you can on and you can backup your account. Friends, you can see erase all data, factory reset. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see reset network setting. Friends, click here and get tap here network reset setting. Friends, you can see after resetting this network setting guys, all Wi-Fi network will forget, means disconnect on your device. Friends, you will have to connect again. Friends, you can see not connected any Wi-Fi. So guys, first off your Wi-Fi setting, on your Wi-Fi setting and refresh your Wi-Fi setting. And guys, now guys you can connect your Wi-Fi network. So I will connect 5G network and I will right side to connect. Friends, you can see easily friends I can connect Wi-Fi network on my Realme phone, and friends I can use it after reset this Wi-Fi network setting. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi setting will reset and friends we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.